Hi everyone! In this video, we will write a ratio as a fraction. Write the ratio as a simplified fraction. 36 and 4/10 to 4. Here we divide the first number by the second number. I'm showing this with a slanted division sign, but let's rewrite it as a division sign that isn't slanted or a fraction sign like this. Before we move forward, let's change 36 and 4/10 to a fraction. 36 and 4/10 is exactly how we read it in its correct form. 36 and 4/10 like this. Another way to check that is to ensure that I simply have the same amount of zeros as I do decimal places. So here I have 1 decimal place, which means I have 1 0. Now let's change this to its improper fraction by multiplying and then adding in a clockwise circle. 10 times 36 is 360, adding 4 is 364, and we keep the denominator of 10. Some of you already know that if I can just take the decimal over, that means that I have one division of a 0, and it makes it a 10. That's up to you though. So this is rewritten as 364/10 divided by 4. Here we have a complex fraction, and if you'll recall, we don't divide fractions. We always multiply by the reciprocal, and the reciprocal of the second number on the bottom. But some may say that 4 isn't a fraction, so I can't flip it upside down for the reciprocal. I can take any whole number and divide it by 1, and now it's a fraction. 4 divided by 1 is 4, so I haven't changed the value at all. Now I can flip it and multiply. So we have 364 divided by 10 multiplied by the reciprocal of 4 over 1 is 1 over 4. It is my preference to simplify the multiplication beforehand so that I don't have to simplify afterwards. You are more than welcome to multiply 364 times 1 to get 364 and 10 times 4 to get 40. Because when we multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. However, I like to simplify beforehand so that I work with smaller numbers. To do that, I look for all of the numbers on the numerators to see if there's anything I can simplify with any of the denominators. In this case, I can see that 364 is divisible by 4, and 4 is divisible by 4. 364 divided by 4 is 91. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And I don't see anything else that can divide. There's a 1 and a 91. Neither of those will divide anything with 10, which is divisible by 2 and 5. So I'm just going to multiply straight across now. 91 times 1 is 91. 10 times 1 is 10. And now I have rewritten this ratio as a simplified fraction, and we're all done.